Poor thing.
Wow.
Oh my God, he really did.
He tried to attack you, Mojo. I wish I had it on film.
Oh my God, he's ready. He's like, bring it on, Tiger. That was hilarious. Creepy.
You've been attacked by a gorilla. You've been attacked by a lion now.
Look at the other guy. Oh, here it comes again.
Mojo, go over there.
He won't get you.
He won't get you. Get out of here. Tell him, get out of here. Look at him. He's like, how should I make you?
Tiger is attacking his baby. He's crying.
He's like, he's like, wow. He is like. At the San Antonio Zoo, he got jumped by a jaguar. Yeah, the same way.
He attracts them.
Wow. You're like,
She's really looking at him.
Yeah, she was over there probably, and then actually jumped at him the first time. That was
Go say hi to him.
weird.
Hey, is it gonna escape?